taxiway, Alpha for 06. With information
Hold
Kilo.
short 06 and Alpha Tower, 1 Valley Air 280. Hold short, taxiway, Alpha.
Fact: 80% of all aviation accidents are the result of human error. With proper maintenance, today's aircraft are built to fly safely for unlimited time. They are more dependable than they ever were.
Everything signed off?
Just about.
Today's aircraft are also more automated and more complex. However, the people who fly them, the people who control them, and the people who maintain and repair these complex aircraft are still the same. They're human.
Thanks for staying.
No problem.
Get some sleep, eh?
Fact: maintenance errors are accountable for up to 25% of all aviation accidents resulting from human error.
Jerry, we got a problem here with the pitch trim.
What's the matter?
Trim. I believe we're going...
Have you got the column? Which way?
Nose up.
Nose up?
Yeah,
Is that better?
that's better.
Checklists.
Checklists.
Trim failure. Disengage, switch, press, and hold it. Pitch trim left, E14.
Do you have control?
I have control.
Left E14. Circuit breakers in.
Manual elevated trim. We got to use that the rest of the way. Have you got control?
I have control.
Checklist complete.
Tell the tower we're going back.
Halifax Tower, Al Air is declaring an emergency. We have pitch control problems and need an immediate return.
Alley Air 280, are you able to return to runway 06?
We should be able to make 06.
Alley Air 280, you're cleared to left downwind runway 06. The wind 040 at 15. Advise fuel and souls on board.
We have 4,000 pounds of fuel and 6 souls.
The TSB initial briefing had it right. Jerry Collins had left lock wire pliers in the tail section, the hell hole. The pliers shook loose from the voltage regulator shelf on takeoff and interfered with the control cables. It was a maintenance error, a human error.
My initial TSB briefing notes.
And?
Looks like a maintenance error. One of our best guys. You want to know who?
No. I want to know why.
Why what?
Why one of our guys made a mistake. You said it was one of our best.
Yeah,
Well, good people don't just screw up.
Collins did.
Yeah, but why? Why did he make a mistake? What went wrong? The briefing tell you that?
No.
Well, that's what I want to know.
Yes, but everyone else will want to know how we're going to handle it. Stakeholders on down, media included. So, do we fire him or suspend him?
Tell me something. What's more important to safety in the industry? Blaming him and firing him because he made a mistake? Or understanding why he made the mistake and fixing it so it doesn't happen again to him and anyone else? What's more important?